Hi there and welcome back. In our previous video, we talked about template part sections, what template parts are, and how to create and modify them using the default WordPress editor, Gutenberg. In today's video, we'll talk about Elementor, how to create template part sections and edit them with Elementor. So let's get started. For this example, we are using a starter site built with Elementor. So as you can see, I have previously imported the fitness starter site. Features like this are available in Elementor Pro, but the good thing here is that it is now built in Kalium, so you don't need Elementor Pro for this. Before we begin, we need to make sure Elementor is allowed to edit template parts, to be able to edit template parts using Elementor. So let's go ahead and check that. Let's go to Dashboard, and under Elementor Settings, under the post types, we need to make sure we have the template parts checked, so we can modify them using Elementor Editor. Now that we have checked this, we can save changes and go to template parts of Kalium. Let's go to Kalium, template parts. We can start creating our first template part section with Elementor by clicking the Add New button. Now we can add a simple title such as Free Trial CTA, and you can set the display conditions, placement, and container options later if you want, but we'll keep it simple and insert this section manually this time. So now that we have named it, let's just click Publish. After publishing, at the top left area, you will see a button, Edit with Elementor. Click that button. Now we can design our section using Elementor. So let's do this by adding a heading. Let's say free training courses. And let's add a sample description. Let's say, try our first personal training session. And let's add a button. Let's say, book now. And we want it to send us to contact page. Let's style the section a bit. When you're happy with the layout, just click Publish. Now that we have created our first section, let's add it to a page. Let's go to our website. Now that we have created the section, let's add it to a page. We will add it to our home page, so let's go ahead and click Edit with Elementor. Let's scroll down and let's add the section after the pricing table. So on the left area, on the Elements panel, you can scroll down and find the content section, or you can simply search for the widget and click it to add it. As you can see, here are the section options. The first option is the display section. So you have a drop down where you can select all the template parts that you have created. And the second option is the check display conditions. But let's first select the CTA free trial which we created. And as you can see, it shows automatically in the live preview. You can check display conditions if you want, but in our case, we have not set the display condition, so we will just leave it disabled for now. If you forgot to add something or want to edit it, you can access the template editor by clicking the edit section here. But for now, let's just publish it and let's see it live. Let's see the template part section that we just added. And here it is. If we want to edit it, we can do so by going to Edit with Elementor. And here it is. The free trial CTA shows here. If we want to edit it, we can click on it. And that's it. You have just created a reusable section using Elementor and added it to the layout using the content section element without needing Elementor Pro. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.